Have you ever thought about starting a community garden? A community garden is a shared space where people come together to cultivate plants. It's a wonderful way to foster social connections, promote environmental responsibility, and enhance overall health. Imagine creating a space where your neighbors can come together to grow their own food and flowers. Starting a community garden might seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you can get started. First, find a suitable location. This could be a vacant lot, a park, or even a rooftop. The key is to find a space that is accessible, has good soil, and gets plenty of sunlight. Next, gather a group of interested people. This could include neighbors, friends, or local organizations. Remember, a community garden is all about community. The more diverse your group, the better. You'll need people to plant, water, and maintain the garden, but also people who can organize events, manage finances, and promote the garden to the wider community. Then, secure necessary permissions and resources. This might involve contacting local authorities, soliciting donations, or applying for grants. You'll also need to consider things like water access and insurance. After that, it's time to design the garden. Consider factors such as sunlight, water access, and what types of plants you want to grow. Think about including a mix of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and flowers to create a diverse and vibrant garden. Finally, plan and host a garden kickoff event. This is a great way to build enthusiasm and get everyone involved. You could have a seed planting day, a garden tour, or a potluck dinner. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a thriving community garden. Starting a community garden can be a rewarding experience. Imagine the joy of watching plants grow, the satisfaction of a successful harvest, and the camaraderie among neighbors. Now it's your turn to start a community garden. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.